Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to sign up for DeepSeek. So the first thing you need to do is go to the DeepSeek.com website, then just click on Start Now. Now, if you already have an account, you can just log in here. But if you don't, you can either choose login with Google, then you'll be able to select your Google account and sign in with it, or you can click on sign up here and create your DeepSeek account. So first you need to enter your email address if you're creating an account the standard way. Then just enter your password. So you can create your new password. It has to be between 8 and 5 characters. And now you can send a code. So after you click on it, you'll need to wait because unfortunately the DeepSeek service was just launched. So if you're doing that soon after the launch of the service, then you'll need to wait for a longer time. So you don't need to resend the code every minute, you just need to wait until it gets to you. It may even last for like 10 minutes, so you just need to wait. So I'm gonna click on send code, then wait until I get an email in my mailbox. Also make sure to check your spam folder because it may also go into the spam folder. So go into it, then refresh it. But as you can see, I don't have any now. But if I don't get my email in the inbox, then I'm gonna check the spam folder in a few minutes again. Okay, so I finally got the code, so I can just go into it. I'm gonna copy it, but you can also just type it in. Then I'm gonna confirm that I've read, consent and agree to DeepSeek's terms of use and privacy policy. Then click on sign up. And now I'm in. So I'm signed in, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.